the dust of your land. I am a beggar to you, I'm reaching my hand. You are the sun behind the clouds, therefore you are near. Even if I don't see you, I know you are there. I am drowning, you're the air. You're my comfort in my fear. And I wrote your holy name on every tear. I'm at your door, I'm at your door, and I am knocking, pleading, let me into your remorse. If you turn away from me, I will lose my only hope, my only hope. Heart, I will shackle you in chains. If you forget Husayn's name, I will sever from you veins. Eyes, I will deny you light years. If you cannot shed a tear, seeing the head on a spear chest, I dare you if you would dare, call out anyone else dear, I would deny from you. He is all I have ever known. My heart is under his dome, beating for Arba'een Ghayaman. Lend me a holy hand, moments. Take me to your land, moments. Allow me to breathe, moments. Husayn, Husayn. I am here to see the moon in all its glory. I am here again to listen to your story. I am here to close my eyes and drift away in a far-off memory of that tragic day. They say death surrounded you, so I came running to you, to be with the millions of lovers who came. They call your name, they call your name. Everywhere I look, I hear the people crying Husayn, with a hand on their heart and one hand is wiping the pain, crying Husayn. Salawat.